Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and safe. Today we are going to start chapter number 3 subtraction worksheet. Okay, so let's start to solve this worksheet. Question number 1. Subtract the followings. So we have to subtract these numbers. So question number 1A 9877 minus 32. Okay, so let's subtract these numbers. Okay, so there is a 9877 minus 32. So first of all, 7 minus 2. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Again 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. And now 8 and now as it is. Okay, so answer is 9845. So answer is 9845. Now question number 2. Okay, now question number 2. 8477 minus 695. First of all, ones digit 7 minus 5. So 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. After that 7 minus 9. We cannot subtract 7 minus 9 because 7 is a smaller number and 9 is a greater number. So we cannot subtract. So now we have to borrow the number from neighbor. So there is a 4 is a neighbor of 7. So 4 become 3 and 7 become 17. So there is a 1. So 7 become 17. Now 17 minus 9. So 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Now there is a 3 and there is a 6. So 3 minus, we cannot subtract because 3 is a smaller number. So we again borrow the number. So 8 becomes 7 and 3 become 13. Now 13 minus 6. So 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. Now there is a 7 as it is 7. Okay, so answer is 7782. So answer is 7782. Okay, after that there is a question number 3, 4 and 5. मैंने यहाँ पे आंसर्स लिख दिए हैं. यू हैव टू चेक योर सेल्फ. आप यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्शन करो और चेक करो कि जो ये आंसर्स है वो राइट है या रॉन्ग. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Okay, now question number 6. 6547 minus 5747. So let's start. First of all, 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. And 5 minus 7. So we cannot subtract 5 minus 7 because 5 is a smaller and 7 is a greater. So now we have to borrow the number. So there is a 5 and 1 give it to 5. So now 6 become 5 and 5 become 15. Now 15 minus 7. So 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. After that 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so answer is 800. So there is a answer 800. Okay. Okay, now question number 7. 5822 minus 3211. First of all, there is a 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Again 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. After that 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Okay, so answer is 2611. There is answer 2611. After that there is a answers, so you have to check yourself. Okay, so question number 8, 9 and 10. Okay, chapter number 3 subtraction. Question number 2. Write as a column and subtract. तो हमारे पास जो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चंस है उसके अंदर हमें जो स्ट्रेट दिए हुए हैं उसको हम कॉलम में लिख सकते हैं इस तरह से। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। 5471 minus 3564. Okay, so first of all we have to go to the ones digit, so 1 minus 4. So now we cannot subtract 1 minus 4. Okay, so we have to borrow the number from neighbor. So there is a 6 and there is a 1. Okay, so 7 become 6 and 1 become 11. Okay, now 11 minus 4, so now we can subtract. Okay, so 11 minus 4, 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. After that 6 minus 6, 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. After that 4 minus 5, we cannot subtract 4 minus 5, so we have to again get the borrow number. So 5 become 4 and 4 become 14. Okay, so now 14 minus 5, 14 minus 5 is equal to 9, so there is a 9. After that 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, so answer is 1907. Okay, now question number 2. 2541 minus 2321. Always remind, first of all we have to write the bigger number and after that we have to write the smaller number. Let's start from the ones digit. First of all 1 minus 1, same number, answer is 0. After that 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. After that 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. After that 2 minus 2, so 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, so answer is 220. Now question number 3. 2889 minus 1474. First of all there is a ones digit, 9 minus 4, so 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, so there is a 5. After that 8 minus 7, 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. After that 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. After that 2 minus 1, so 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so answer is 1415. Now question number 4. So there is a 3544 and again 3544. So you better know सेम नंबर है तो यहाँ पे आंसर हमेशा ज़ीरो ही रहेगा. ओके, सो देर इज़ अ ज़ीरो आंसर. ओके, नाउ लास्ट दो क्वेश्चन है उसके मैं यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट आंसर्स लिख रहा हूँ, यू हैव टू चेक इट. सो देर इज़ आंसर्स 5 and 6. Now we have to go to the question number 3. Write the subtracting sentence for each addition sentence. So we have to create a two सब्ट्रैक्शन सेंटेंस. यहाँ पे एडिशन सेंटेंस दिए हुए हैं उसके हमें यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्शन सेंटेंस क्रिएट करने हैं. ओके, सो वी हैव टू क्रिएट अ टू सब्ट्रैक्शन सेंटेंस. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देर इज़ अ 6429 प्लस 255 इज इक्वल टू आंसर इज 6684. ओके, सो हम किस तरह से यहाँ पे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम हमारा जो आंसर है उसको यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. ओके, सो 6684. नाउ माइनस साइन. ओके, आफ्टर देट यहाँ पे आप दोनों में से कोई भी नंबर को ले सकते हो. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम यहाँ पे 6429. ओके, हम यहाँ पे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये नंबर ले रहे हैं. ओके, एंड इज इक्वल टू यहाँ पे आंसर क्या आएगा, जो हमारा रिमेनिंग नंबर है 255. ओके, आप इन दोनों का सब्ट्रैक्शन करोगे तो आपको ये आंसर मिलेगा. ओके, सो आंसर इज 255. चलो हम यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्शन करके देख लेते हैं. Okay, so there is a number 6684 minus 6429. Greater number हम पहले लिखेंगे and smaller number after that. Okay, so first of all 4 minus 9, we cannot subtract 4 minus 9, so we have to get the borrow number. So there is a 7 and there is a 1, so 4 become 14 and 8 become 7. Okay, so now 14 minus 9, so 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. After that 7 minus 2, so 7 minus 2 is equal to again 5. After that 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, and 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So answer is 255. सो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो 255. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट. सो नेक्स्ट हम किस तरह से करेंगे, जो हमारा आंसर है उसे हम पहले लिखेंगे 6684. ओके, एंड माइनस फर्स्ट टाइम हमने कौन सा नंबर लिया था, ये नंबर, और अब हम क्या करेंगे, दिस नंबर. ओके, 255. सो आंसर हमारा क्या रहेगा, जो हमारा रिमेनिंग नंबर है. सो हमारा रिमेनिंग नंबर कौन सा है, 6429. 6429. ओके, सो इसी तरह से हमें नंबर्स को क्रिएट करना है. ओके, यहाँ पे एडिशन जो है उसके हमें 2 सब्ट्रैक्शन सेंटेंस क्रिएट करने हैं. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. सो देयर इज़ अ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सम, जो हमारा है 6097 माइनस, इन दोनों में से हम कोई भी नंबर को ले सकते हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम ये फर्स्ट वाला नंबर लेंगे 5412 इज इक्वल टू, हमारा आंसर क्या होगा, जो हमारा रिमेनिंग नंबर है वो 685. नाउ सेकेंड सेंटेंस. सो देर इज़ अ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सम 6097 माइनस, हमने यहाँ पे 5412 लिया था. सो नाउ वी हैव टू गेट द 685 and answer is 5412. okay, get it, good. सो इसी तरह से हमें आगे नंबर्स को क्रिएट करते जाना है. मैं यहाँ पे अब डायरेक्टली लिख रहा हूँ और आपको बता रहा हूँ. ओके, सो देर इज़ अ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आंसर. ओके, and there is a question number 4 answer. After that question number 5 and question number 6. Okay, so that question number 4, fill in the missing numbers. So there is a question number 1, blank is equal to 3256 plus 8471. So there is a addition 3256 plus 8471. So let's see the addition. First of all, first digit 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So there is a 2 and 1 carry. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 and 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. After that 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So answer is 11,727. So there is a 11,727. Okay, after that 5,847 plus there is blank after that is equal to 7,847. So there is a missing number is there, so we have to subtract the numbers. 5,847 minus 7,847. After that we have to get the answer. Okay, so there is subtraction, so let's subtract the numbers. Okay, so there is a number. First of all, once digit 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. 4 minus 4 is equal to again 0. 8 minus 8 again 0. Now 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So answer is 2000. So there is answer 2000. So there is a 2000. After that there is a question number 3. 5877 प्लस ज़ीरोज़, तो यहाँ पे सारे ज़ीरोज़ है, तो हमारा एडिशन होगा 5877. Okay. After that 3674 plus 501. So there is a addition. So there is a answer 4175. मैं यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली आंसर्स लिख रहा हूँ. ओके. After that question number 5, blank 6741 plus 3254. So there is answer 9996. Okay. After that question number 6, 2477 plus there is a blank is equal to 3045. So there is answer 5522. Okay, so all these answers. Now question number 5, solve the following. Question number 1, 7485 minus 241 plus 3655. Okay, so there is a first of all we have to do the addition. Always याद रखना कि पहले always हमें addition ही करना है. Okay. So first of all हम 7485 plus 3655 को add करेंगे, and after that we have to subtract the 241. Okay. So first of all we have to do. Okay. So first of all we have to add the numbers. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So there is a 0 and 1 carry out. Okay. Now 1 plus 8 is equal to 9, and 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. So there is a 4 and 1 again carry out. Okay. So now 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, and 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. So there is 1 and 1 again carry out. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8, and 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So answer is 11,140. Okay. So answer is 11,140. Okay, now we have to subtract this number. Okay, so let's subtract these numbers. First of all, ones digit. So there is a 0 minus 1. So we cannot subtract 0 minus 1. So there is a borrow the number from neighbor. So 4 become 3 and 0 become 10. Okay. So now 10 minus 1. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. After that 3 minus 4. So we cannot subtract 3 minus 4. So now we have to again borrow the number from neighbor. So there is a 1. So 1 becomes 0, and there is a 13. So now 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. Okay. Now there is a 0 and there is a 2. So 0 minus 2. We cannot subtract 0 minus 2. So we have to again get the borrow. Okay. So there is again 0, and 0 become 10. Okay. So now 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Now there is again 0 and there is a nothing. So we have to again borrow the number. So there is a 0 and there is a 10. Okay. So this 10 directly go to the bottom, and there is a 10,000. 10,899. There is the answer 10,899. So there is answer 10,899. Okay. Second one, 654 plus 3,654 minus 254. First of all we have to add both number, and after that we have to subtract this number. Okay. Always remind, first of all we have to do the addition only. Okay. Okay, so let's add this number first of all. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So there is a 0 and 1 carry out. Okay. Now 1 plus 6 is equal to 7 and 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. So there is a 3 and 1 carry out. Okay. Now 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So answer is 4308. And now we have to subtract the numbers with 254. So there is a 4308 minus 254. Okay, so let's subtract this number. First of all, 8 minus 4. So 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Now 0 minus 5. We cannot subtract 0 minus 5. So we have to get the borrow. So 3 become 2 and 0 become 10. Now 10 minus 5. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Now 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 and 4 as it is. So answer is 4054. Okay. So now answer is 4054. Okay. Now question number 3. So मैं यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली आंसर्स लिख रहा हूँ. You have to check it. So after that, question number 3's answer is there 1992. Fourth question answer is 2701. Fifth question answer is 2968. Sixth question answer is 9953. Seventh question answer is 7860. Eighth answer is 7876. So there is all answer. Okay. Now question number 6 is that a cartoon has a 5400 packets of biscuits. Out of these 1880 packets of chocolates biscuits. The rest are jam biscuits. How many packets of jam biscuits are there? So यहाँ पे एक बिस्किट का पैकेट है, उसके अंदर 5400 पैकेट्स है और उसमें से 1880 पैकेट्स चॉकलेट बिस्किट्स के हैं और जो बाकी के हैं वो है जाम बिस्किट्स के. तो जो बाकी के बिस्किट्स है हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि वो कितने हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट. ओके, सो वी आर यूजिंग द comparison model bar. Okay, so there is a biscuits, so there is a total 5400 biscuits and there is a chocolate biscuit is 1880 biscuits and we have to find out the missing jam biscuits. Okay, so let's find out the biscuits. So हमें यहाँ पे जाम बिस्किट्स फाइंड आउट करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पे जो टोटल नंबर ऑफ़ बिस्किट्स हमारे हैं उसमें से हमें चॉकलेट बिस्किट को माइनस करना पड़ेगा. तो हमें हमारा क्या मिलेगा, जाम बिस्किट्स. ओके, सो लेट्स सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस नंबर्स. सो देयर इज़ अ 5400 एंड 1880. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देयर इज़ अ 0. सो आंसर इज देयर इज़ अ 0. 0 minus 8 we cannot subtract, so we have to get the borrow the number. So there is a 3 and there is a 10. Okay, so 4 become 3 and 0 become 10. Now 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. After that 3 minus 8 we cannot subtract 3 minus 8, so again borrow the number from neighbor. So 5 become 4 and 3 become 13. So now 13 minus 8, so 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. After that 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So answer is 3520. So यहाँ पे जो हमारे रिमेनिंग बिस्किट्स थे वो कितने थे, 3520. ओके, सो देयर इज आंसर 5400 minus 1880 is equal to 3520. Okay, so is that your answer? Now question number 7. Manoj has a 5000 rupees. He gave 344 rupees to Sital. So how many rupees left now? मनोज के पास 5000 रुपीज़ है और वो उनमें से 344 रुपीज़ शीतल को दे रहा है. सो अभी उसके पास कितने बचे? ओके, सो हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट. Okay, so question number 5. So there is a total Manoj has a 5000 rupees. Okay, and Sital has a 344. उनमें से उतने उसको दे दिए और हमें फाइंड आउट क्या करना है? जो बाकी के पैसे हैं वो हमें यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट करना है. यहाँ पे भी हम यहाँ पे कंपैरिजन मॉडल का यूज़ करेंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट द नंबर्स फ्रॉम द 5000. 5000 minus 344. Okay, so first of all we have to subtract the numbers. Okay, so there is a first of all 0 minus 4. We cannot subtract 0 minus 4, so we have to borrow the number from neighbor, but there is a again 0, so we cannot borrow, so we have to borrow from the another neighbor. So there is also again 0, so we cannot borrow the number, so we have to take another neighbor. So there is a 5, so 5 become 4 and give it to 0, so 0 become 10 now. So now again 10 become 9 and give it to 0, so there is again 0 become 10, so again 10 become 9 and give it to 0, so now 10 minus 4, so 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. After that there is a 9, so 9 minus 4, so 9 minus 4, so 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. After that 9 minus 3, so 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. After that there is a 4, so 4 is a as it is. Okay, so answer is 4656. So answer is 4656. So there is a left money is 4656. Okay, so we have to write like this: 5000 minus 344 is equal to 4656. So is that your answer? Now question number 8. 6544 people come to watch a match. Some people left early. 2541 people stayed until the end. So how many people left the early? Okay, so हमें यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट करना है. सो यहाँ पे टोटल 6544 पीपल्स मैच देखने आए थे. उनमें से कुछ पीपल्स चले गए, तो वो हमें अभी नहीं पता. हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना है. और अभी वहाँ पे स्टिल एंड तक 2541 पीपल्स है. ओके, सो हमें यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट करना है कि कितने पीपल्स यहाँ से लेफ़्ट हो चुके हैं. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. यहाँ पे टोटल देखने जितने आए थे पीपल्स वो है 6554 एंड जो एंड तक थे स्टिल एंड, सो वो है 2541. और हमें फाइंड आउट क्या करना है कि यहाँ पे कितने लेफ़्ट हो चुके थे. ओके, सो हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो किस तरह से करेंगे? सो यहाँ पे जो टोटल है उनमें से हम माइनस करेंगे जो अभी भी अवेलेबल है. ओके, सो देयर इज़ अ okay, so let's subtract these numbers. Okay, so first of all 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0 and 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So answer is 4003. इट मीन्स वहाँ से कितने पीपल्स लेफ्ट हो चुके थे? 4003. ओके, सो वी हैव टू राइट लाइक दिस. ओके, सो इज दैट योर आंसर?